Dear students, in this session we will going to learn about the intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces are what? The attraction or the repulsion force between the molecules. They are not nearly strong as that of the intramolecular attractions that holds the compounds together or that holds the atoms together. These are the attractive or the repulsion force between the molecules. Intramolecular means within the molecules that have the strong interaction. But the intermolecular force means the outside the molecules. Interaction between the one molecule with the another molecules, it has the less interaction. In given figures, the HCl is an example. H that can be formed the bond with the Cl. H donates the electron towards the chlorine. Chlorine, it can accept the electron from the hydrogen. It forms the covalent bond. This is called the intramolecular covalent bond. Here, this bond is a strong bond. Then similarly, here also this is a covalent bond in between the hydrogen and the chlorine. Then the interaction between one HCl molecule with the another HCl molecules, it is what? Intermolecular attraction. Among these molecules, the weak force of interactions are present. Such a type of the forces we called it as a intermolecular forces. These intermolecular forces as a group are referred to as the van der Waals forces. These van der Waals forces are the weak forces. So the intermolecular forces are also called as the van der Waals forces that exist between the two intermolecular molecules. Van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces may be classified as dipole-dipole interactions, hydrogen bonding, and London dispersion forces. These are the types of the intermolecular forces, or it is also called as the van der Waals forces. Then one more the type of interaction, that is a ion dipole interaction. Ion dipole interaction means the interaction between the ion of the one molecule with the another. The interaction between the ion and the dipole of the one molecules. A fourth type of the force, that is a ion dipole interaction. First one, dipole-dipole interaction, hydrogen bonding interaction, London dispersion forces, ion dipole interactions. Such a type of the interaction between the ion and the dipole molecules. These are the importance force in the solutions of the ions. The strength of these forces are what? It makes it possible for the ionic substances to dissolve in the polar solvents. These are the what? The ion of the one molecules. It may a cation or the anion. The interaction between the one cation with the another dipole molecules, or the interaction between the one anion with the another dipole molecule. See, take an example of NaCl. NaCl, whenever it is added to the aqueous solution, it undergoes the dissociation, Na plus ion and the Cl minus ion. The interaction between the Na plus ion and another HCl molecule, that is the cation dipole interaction. Then the interaction between the Cl minus ion and the HCl molecules, that is called the anion dipole attractions or the interactions. Next one, dipole-dipole interaction means the interaction between the two dipole-dipoles or the interaction between the two dipolar molecules. Examples, one dipole molecules that to be polar molecule. Take an example of HCl. That forms the H plus ion and the Cl minus ion. H forms the partial positive charge, Cl forms the partial negative charge. Because of hydrogen is a more electropositive element, chlorine is a electronegative element. That is an example for the dipole forces. Then the molecules that have the permanent dipoles are attracted to each other. The positive end of the one ion is attracted to the negative end of the another ion, or vice versa. Then these forces are only important when the molecules are close to each other. One molecules of dipolar molecules that can interact with the another dipolar molecules, that to be positive end of the one dipolar molecule is interact with the negative end of the another dipolar molecules, then the type of the dipole-dipole interactions produced. London dispersion forces. These are the very weak forces. These exist between the two non-polar molecules. While the electron in the 1s orbital of the helium would repel each other, and therefore they tend to stay far away from each other. So it does not happen that they occasionally wind up on the same side of the atom. Here, helium atom occupies the two electrons in it, two electrons and the two protons, consisting of the two protons in the nucleus and two electrons revolving around the nucleus. Means such a type of the forces are the London dispersion forces. Means any interaction between the non-polar molecules, that gives the London dispersion forces. London dispersion forces exist in the non-polar molecules. That non-polar molecules itself, it induces the dipoles. It is a non-polar molecules. There is a equal distribution of the electrons in the atoms, but it itself, it induces the charge on it. While the electron revolving around the nucleus, the electron density is moved towards the one end. So this side it creates the partial negative charge, one side it creates the partial positive charge. So at a particular instant, then the helium atom is become polar. When an excess of the electrons on the left side and the shortage on the right side. So excess of electrons on this, it creates the partial negative charge, one side partial positive charge. The interaction between the two non-polar molecules, that induces the dipole dispersion, London dispersion forces. The London dispersion forces existing between the two helium atoms. Whenever at a particular instant of time the electrons move towards the one end, the electron density will move towards the one end of the helium and another end of the helium. One side it creates the partial positive charge, another side it creates the partial negative charge. Similarly, another helium atom, it creates partial negative charge one side, partial positive one side. The interaction between the one positive end with the another negative end, that creates the attractive or the electrostatic attractions, that resulting in the formation of the London dispersion forces. Here the another helium is nearby it, one helium, then another helium nearby it, it would have a dipole induced in it. As an electron on the left side of the helium atom to repel the electrons in the cloud on the helium atom of the one with the another. That induces the electrostatic attraction between the two non-polar molecules. London dispersion forces or the dispersion forces are the attraction between an instantaneous dipoles and an induced dipoles also. It is also called as the attraction between the instantaneous dipole, one is fixed, another one is induced dipole one. Then these London dispersion forces, these forces are present in all the molecules, whether they are polar or whether they are the non-polar. If non-polar is there, then at a particular instant that becomes the polar. There the induces the dipoles, induced dipole moment. The tendency of the electron could to distort in this way, it is called as the polarizability. The polarizability, it creates the charge, while at a particular instant the electron charge density move towards the one end. That creates the partial positive charge and the partial negative charge. That process called the polarizability process. See, in a neutral species this one, and one side it creating the, one side it is a field of the non-polar molecule is there, then the another one is non-polar molecule that induces the electron density at the one side. One side it creates the positive charge, another side it creates the negative charge. This is called as the ion dipole interaction. Interaction between the one cation with the another polar molecule. Similarly, the interaction between the dipole molecules, it have the partial positive charge and the negative charge. It is a polar molecules, dipolar molecules called the dipole. Then this is an induced dipole. Interaction between the dipole and the induced dipole is called the dipole induced dipole momentum. The interaction between the ion and the induced dipole is called the ion induced dipole.